Hi, this is Sundari from Tech High Tech Dr.Rangarajan, Dr.Sakunthala Engineering College, and my project mate is Ranjani. We are doing project on secure public subscribe system. We are doing authentication using identity-based encryption, and we are guided by Mrs. Priyanka, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology. Our scope is providing authentication and confidentiality in published subscribe system, and here the keys are randomly generated during the time of decryption so that we enhance the security in our system. Objective of project is we implement a searchable encryption method by using the identity based encryption, and we implement a phenomenon called two-way routing which improves the weak subscription of our system. Analysis of different attacks to improve confidentiality and authentication. Our abstract is authentication of publishers and subscriber is difficult to achieve. We provide authentication in our system. We also provide confidentiality for the event, and the system contributes efficient routing and analysis of different attacks. Our approach provides fine-grained key management, pause for encryption, decryption, and routing. Our evaluation shows throughput of the proposed cryptographic primitives and delays incurred during the construction of public subscribe system. Existing system is publisher sends credential to the requested subscriber and the subscriber to maintain credential according to their subscription. Private keys are assigned to the subscriber or labeled with the credential. A publisher associates each encrypted event with a set of credentials. Disadvantages: existing system is expressive and scalable, which do not provide security. In our system, we provide secure. In proposed system, our approach, requested subscriber is sends subscription to the publisher is sent as ciphertext using one path, and private key to decrypt the subscription sent to the another path, which is email. A publisher generates the public key randomly during the time of sending ciphertext, and we adapt identity-based encryption to ensure subscriber can decrypt an event only if there is match between the associated with the key and the event to allow a subscriber to verify the authenticity of the received event. Advantages: the number of subscribers and the publisher in the system and the number of keys are maintained by them. The security of the public subscribe system is improved, and the cost of the encryption and decryption is also reduced. This is the minimum software and hardware requirements of our system, and this is the architecture of our system. This is the data flow diagram. Here the key, which is mainly used for encryption and decryption, the public key is used for encryption, and the private key is used for decryption, which is stored in the database. And here this is for the new registration of subscriber, and this is for new registration of publisher. To match the public and private key, we use bilinear map here. There is 4 modules: authentication, subscription, confidentiality, scalability, identity-based encryption. In authentication, we are providing authentication for publisher and subscriber, who are all the authorized publisher who can publish into the system, and who are all the authorized subscriber, they can send the subscription to the publisher. And subscription confidentiality, only the authorized person can visible what is published by the system and what are the subscriptions sent by the publishers. So here we provide confidential and unforgeable. In scalability, we are increasing the number of subscribers in the system, and we are preserving the maintenance of the key and cost of the subscribers who manage into the system. Identity-based encryption, which is used for any valid string which is uniquely identifies a user, can be a public key of the user. A key server maintains a single pair of public and private key master. Here, to successfully decrypt the message, a receiver needs to obtain the private key for the identity from the key server. Now coming to the code. This is the coding of the project. This is the coding for main homepage, which contain link to publisher and subscriber. Here there is a separate coding for publisher as well as separate coding for subscriber. This is the login page, which contain username, password for the verification of authenticity of the user, and this is mail. This contain who are all the registered publisher and who are all the registered subscriber through which the subscription for the private key is sent. By running this project, This is the home page. Send to the login into the subscriber and send a request to a publisher by pressing submit. Request is sent to the publisher. By entering into the publisher, I provide publisher name Murli and its password. First, it sees the request. Request sent by the Geeta is high, so that select the subscriber. Here see the content is encrypted and sent to the user. So the public key is directly generated and the private key sent through the mail. Which takes 2 seconds to encrypt the content. See, it is successfully. Then log out. Again enter into the subscriber page. Login. View message. This is the public key which is randomly generated. 60876. 60876. And the private key is sent through mail by entering into the registered subscriber. The name which is registered by the subscriber. See, this is the private key which is sent by the subscriber, and the private key is copied and which is pasted here. This is which is charged from, and what is the content. This is our project. Thank you.